Did you know that in some quirky corners of nature, a simple snip can flip your entire identity? Welcome to today's mind-bending episode. We're diving into how to cut something and change your gender. Buckle up for surprises, laughs, and wild facts. No scalpels here, just pure, fascinating trivia. First off, let's decode this cryptic title. Something isn't what you might think. Think of it as a mischievous banana. Yes, that curvy yellow fruit. In our metaphorical kitchen, cutting it could symbolize a big switch. But we're talking biology, not breakfast. Ever heard of clownfish? Those colorful swimmers from Finding Nemo. They can change gender naturally. No cutting involved, just life stages. When the dominant female vanishes, the top male steps up. He transforms into a she. Poof! Instant family makeover. It's called sequential hermaphroditism. Fancy term for gender swap party. Clownfish do it to keep the clan going. Survival of the fittest. Ocean style. Imagine your aquarium pulling that trick. One day, Bob's now Barbara. Hilarious, right? But wait, there's more aquatic drama. Wrasses, those vibrant reef fish, pull off similar stunts. Males turn female when needed. It's like a underwater talent show. No auditions required. Nature's way of balancing the scales. Or should I say fins? Now, let's swim to land animals. Frogs can be gender bending too. Certain species switch under stress. Pollution or temperature flips the switch. One study showed atrazine, a chemical, turned male frogs female. Yikes. Environmental plot twist. It's not just a fairy tale. Remember the princess and the frog? Maybe the frog was transitioning. Okay, that's a stretch. But science backs these changes. Amphibians have flexible biology. Their cells rewrite the script. No director needed. Just hormones calling the shots. Speaking of hormones, humans have our own versions. Not natural swaps like fish, but medical marvels. Enter gender-affirming care. It's like upgrading your personal software. For some, it's a life changer, but let's keep it light. Imagine cutting the cord, metaphorically, or trimming the hedges for a new look. Wink, wink. Historically, gender roles flipped often. Ancient myths abound with switches, like Tiresias in Greek lore. He changed genders twice. Once by striking snakes. Talk about a wild encounter. He lived as both man and woman. Gave advice to gods. Ultimate insider knowledge. Then there's the Norse god Loki. Shapeshifter extraordinaire. He became a mare once. Gave birth to a magical horse. Mythical gender fluidity at its finest. No cutting, just divine mischief. Fast forward to real history. In some cultures, like Native American tribes, two-spirit people embody both genders. Respected for their unique perspectives. Not a cut, but a cultural embrace. Diverse identities celebrated. Modern science echoes this. Genetics play a role in gender. XX or XY chromosomes. Not always straightforward. Variations like Klinefelter syndrome. Extra chromosomes mix things up. People with XXY might feel in between. Biology's not binary. It's a spectrum, folks. Like a rainbow after rain. Now, back to our banana metaphor. In some surgeries, gender-affirming ones, doctors peel and reshape carefully. Think of it as fruit sculpture. Artistic, precise, transformative. Patients report huge happiness boosts. Studies show improved mental health. It's like shedding an old skin. Emerging as your true self. But let's add humor. Imagine a banana in therapy. I feel like a plantain inside. Therapist nods. Time for a split. Pun intended. Recovery isn't a joke, though. It takes time, support, care. Communities rally around. Online forums buzz with stories, from before to after tales. Inspiring, right? Animal Kingdom has more examples. Oysters change gender yearly. Back and forth, like seasons. Talk about indecisive. 1 year male, next female. Keeps the population thriving. Mollusk magic. Slugs are hermaphrodites too. They have both sets of equipment. No need for swaps. Just dual functionality. Efficient, if a bit slimy. Birds aren't left out. Some chickens spontaneously change. A hen becomes a rooster due to ovarian issues. She grows spurs, crows loudly. Farmyard surprise? Farmers scratch their heads. Nature's plot twist again. Insects join the fun. Bees have queens, workers, drones. Workers are female, but undeveloped. If the queen dies, workers can lay eggs. Sort of a gender role shift. Hierarchy at work. Now, plants. Yes, plants. Some are dioecious, separate genders. Others monoecious, both in one. And some change over time, like certain palms. They start male, turn female. Aging gracefully, botanically. Fruits like our banana metaphor? Bananas are clones, actually. No seeds, just propagation. But wild bananas have genders. Male and female flowers. Pollination dance. Fascinating fruit facts. Back to humans. Hormone therapy is key. Estrogen or testosterone shots. Like fueling a new engine. Body changes gradually. Voice deepens or softens. Muscles shift. Curves appear. It's science meets self-discovery. Doctors monitor closely. Safety first, always. Psychological support too. Therapists guide the journey. It's not just physical. Emotional roller coaster. But rewarding. Celebrities share stories. Like Caitlyn Jenner. Her transition made headlines. Sparked conversations worldwide. Or Elliot Page, coming out as trans. Inspiring millions. Representation matters. Media portrays more now. Shows like Pose highlight trans experiences with humor and heart, breaking stereotypes. Now let's tackle myths. No, you can't change gender by wishing or eating certain foods. Sorry, no magic beans. It's biology and choice. Respect is crucial. Pronouns matter. Use them correctly. Simple kindness. Global perspectives vary. Some countries lead in acceptance. Like Thailand, with advanced surgeries. Known for expertise, tourists seek care there. Cultural openness. Others lag behind. But progress happens. Activism pushes forward. Pride parades celebrate diversity. Colors everywhere. Back to our theme, how to cut something. In metaphor, it's about decisions. Big life steps. Like cutting ties to old norms. Embracing change. Gender isn't fixed for everyone. Fluidity exists. Science proves it. From fish to folk. Fun fact: intersex conditions. About 1.7% of people, naturally between binaries, like having mixed traits. Society learns to adapt. Education key. Schools teach inclusivity now. Better late than never. Humor break. Why did the tomato blush? It saw the banana changing peels. Grown worthy, I know, but lightens the mood. Research on gender dysphoria. Mismatch between body and identity. Therapy helps. Not a phase, it's real. Support systems vital. Families, friends, allies make the difference. In sports, debates rage. Trans athletes compete. Fairness discussions ongoing. Science weighs in. Hormone levels matter. Finding balance. Cultural icons evolve. Drag queens blur lines. RuPaul's empire. Fun, fierce, fabulous. Artistic expression. No cuts, just costumes. Theater has long played with gender. Shakespeare's plays. Boys played female roles. Original gender bends. Timeless. Modern twists in movies. Like in Some Like It Hot, men dress as women. Comedy gold. Hiding from mobsters. Classic. Literature too. Virginia Woolf's Orlando. Character changes gender. Lives centuries. Explores identity. Profound and playful. Poetry often delves in. Metaphors abound, like cutting threads of fate, weaving new tapestries. Symbolic. Now ethical side. Consent and autonomy. Key in any change. Medical or personal. Doctors follow guidelines. Informed decisions. No rush. Age matters too. For youth, careful approaches. Puberty blockers sometimes. Reversible steps. Debated, but helpful for some. Research continues. Global health organizations endorse. Like WHO. Affirming care saves lives. Stats show reduced suicide rates. Powerful impact. Community events foster belonging. Conferences, meetups, sharing stories. Laughter through tears. Resilience shines. Art reflects this. Songs about transformation. Like, man, I feel like a woman. Shania Twain's hit, Empowering Anthem. Or David Bowie's Chameleon Style. Gender-bending fashion. Iconic. Influence lingers. Science fiction explores futures where gender is fluid. Books like Left Hand of Darkness. Ursula K. Le Guin. Aliens with no fixed gender. Thought-provoking. Real science advances. Gene editing like CRISPR. Future possibilities? Ethical questions arise. Tread carefully. For now, natural examples inspire. Back to animals. Parrotfish change color and gender. From female to male, bright blues emerge. Reef protectors. They eat coral, poop sand. Beach makers too. Multi-talented. Lizards can switch too. Some all-female species. Parthenogenesis, virgin birth. No males needed. Girl power, reptilian style. Dinosaurs might have too. Fossils hint at flexibility. Prehistoric mysteries. Evolution favors adaptability. Gender changes aid survival. in harsh environments. Smart strategy. Human evolution? We adapted socially. Roles shifted over time. Hunter-gatherers shared duties. No strict divides. Modern life rigidified them. But now, breaking free. Workplaces evolve. Gender-neutral policies. Parental leave for all. Progress. Education on biology. Schools cover chromosomes. Hormones. Development. Kids learn early. Reduces stigma. Media helps. Documentaries on transitions. Human stories. Touching, informative. Like Transparent series. Family dynamics. Humor. Mixed with drama. Relatable. Comedy specials too. Trans comedians shine. Like Hannah Gadsby. Witty insights. Laughter heals. Now, fun experiment thought. If you could swap genders for a day, what would you do? Walk in others' shoes. Empathy builder. Virtual reality simulates it. Tech advances. Cool, huh? Back to our banana. In cooking, cutting it changes form. Smoothie or split. Versatile. Like identities. Adaptable. Final thoughts. Cutting something metaphorically means bold changes. Embrace your truth. With humor and heart. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. What's your favorite gender-bending fact? See you next time for more quirks.